If you're a content creator on TikTok and you've struggled with getting more views or the right people to watch your content, well, today I'm going to share with you how to rank in TikTok search so that you get more views. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Janine. I'm a live video strategist helping content creators and business owners to create high converting live stream and video content. If you're anything like me and you have consistently been creating content on TikTok, you will know that the platform and the landscape of how you can grow has changed dramatically within the last year. It's now no longer as easy as it was to go viral. We now have to look at more strategic ways to grow on the platform, not only to get the views, but also to attract our ideal audience to our content. I want to encourage you that the most important thing to think about when it comes to your content strategy on TikTok or any platform for that matter is that you want to create the right content to reach the right people. So I'm going to share with you a few tips to help your content perform better on TikTok so that you start to get the traction and the results that you want to achieve. I'm going to give you a quick snapshot of some recent videos I recorded for TikTok. Each of these videos have been categorized. And I want to just quickly remind you that every single one of these videos have an overarching theme, which is live video strategy, which is my jam and my expertise. But if you pay close attention, you will be able to see that there is a different category for each one. Now I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to rank. So be sure to get yourself a notepad and pen, a cup of tea, and let's get into the TikTok business. The first thing you're going to want to do is add niche specific keywords to the text captions. Now, whether you are using auto captions from TikTok or using other tools, for example, the Captions app, you still want to add some text captions to the video to give context to what it is that you're talking about. This is where you keyword load and use appropriate terms that you want to rank for, but you also want to make sure that you're not going too crazy and keyword stuffing. Make sure that you're very specific and intentional. The second thing is that you want to fully optimize the description of your posts with keywords. Now, I'm sure you're aware TikTok have increased the word limit. So my advice would be to write your captions or your descriptions outside of the TikTok app and take the time with the description to add those keywords that do complement the keywords that you use in the actual captions that you've added to the video. The next thing is you want to stick to using 3 to 5 niche specific hashtags in the post description. I know, you're probably saying, yeah, I'm aware of this. But I want to remind you of the importance of doing this and being consistent with using the same niche specific hashtags for your videos. I can't even say the word hashtag, but you get my point. This will massively, positively impact the chance of your content ranking correctly. Number 4, consistently use keywords in the cover text. And this is something that's important for ranking and getting your content under the correct terms. Also, I want you to think about it from the viewpoint of when somebody comes across your content and they like it, they engage with it, and they want to find out a bit more about you. When they click to your profile, it's going to be easy for them to peruse your content because they're going to be able to see at a snapshot all of what your content is about. And if you're being specific with the keywords to attract your ideal client or the right people to your content, when they go to your profile, they are going to be more likely to consume much more of your content. Number 5, consistently focus on using searchable terms that your audience are likely using. So I want you to take some time to do your research and look at what people are searching for on TikTok. When you're on the homepage and you click on the magnifying glass to search and you put in the keyword, you'll see a number of options that will come up. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to run through this in real time together. So when you're on the home page, you will click the magnifying glass, top right-hand corner, and you'll put in whatever your search term is. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say live video, and then you click search. You'll see at the top that there are a number of options. It says top, video, users, sound, shop, live, places, hashtags. So let's, for example, click hashtags. When you click hashtags, you will see all of the hashtags that come up connected with live video. You can click on them and see what types of videos come under that. You can also select users and you'll see all of the users under that keyword. You can click on videos. Essentially, you get my point. This is a great way for you to do a bit more research to ensure that the words you're using are search terms that your audience are typing in. TikTok is a great platform to connect with new audiences and get the visibility you're looking for your content. But as I mentioned, the landscape of the platform is changing and we're having to diversify what we're doing to have success. This is why you should take the opportunity to join us in the Video Boss Academy, where you're going to learn how to up-level your TikTok videos, focusing on creating the kind of content that speaks to your ideal client. So if you want to learn different tools to enhance your video and content creation, as well as to create that high converting direct to camera short form video content, then the Video Boss Academy is going to be for you. So be sure to click the link below and find out more about how you can join us. In conclusion to today's session, I want you to start thinking about creating more direct to camera content on TikTok so that you are able to reach your ideal client and intended target audience and have greater success. It doesn't have to be difficult or laborious, but your steps do need to be intentional. And I want you to think about how you can be upscaling and up-leveling all that you are doing to grow on TikTok. I will encourage you to click onto this playlist that has all things TikTok tips and tutorials. And I will see you on the next video.